Welcome to the Queen's Court. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. Hope everyone is doing well. I am thankful, grateful, and blessed to be here. So let's get started. I found the Home Bright glass and window cleaner with vinegar. Figured you can use this to, I know it's gonna smell vinegary. Yeah, it does smell vinegary. Okay. So, yeah, I thought this was a good buy. It's clear view, and it's phthalate free, plant based, and dye free. So there's no chemicals in this. Okay. All right. So I also picked up this here. I really just wanted it for the clear container. I'm going to do a clear container. It's got mischief and mayhem on it. I don't really care for that, but I do want to, see if I can take that off with some fingernail polish remover or something. I just wanted it clear. Then I can put whatever I want on here. You can put candy in here, cotton balls, whatever you want to do. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, so I got that. I also picked up my tea tree oil. This stuff is so good in your hair, for your hair and scalp and body. I like the thickness of it. It really smells really good. I like thick stuff, y'all. Something that's going to absorb into your skin and really feel like you got something on. And I like the shine. I'm not that dull person. I like to see a shine, going in moisturizing as well as leaving my skin looking the way I like for it to look. And I picked up the Reese's, yes. The socks. It's so hard for the socks to come my way. I got different people down south looking for stuff for me, North Carolina, Virginia. Yeah, so these are really nice. They're nice and soft. And I love Reese's, y'all. I am a Reese's girl from day one. I've always loved me a Reese's cup. But, yes, they're so nice and soft. Oh, I will wear them today because it's going to be cold up here. Tell me in the comments, what is the weather like in your area? And y'all, please, let's keep Florida and surrounding areas and, everywhere that the Hurricane Milton affected them. Okay, let's please keep them in prayer. That those families that lost loved ones. And, let's keep them in prayer. Okay, and I got in the leave-in conditioner, Brazilian mist. This smells so good with notes of pistachio and salted caramel. Ooh, that smells good. I like that. It's like a nice, clean caramel, like, sort of, but really, really nice. I like this. Try this. Yeah, but, yeah. And I also, I got this by Global Beauty Care, Bedazzled Softening with Mango and Shea Butter, Nourishing, Soothe and Refresh. Let's see, and the other one is like with the moisturizing with cherry and collagen. So I got these lip moisturizers. Yeah. I was like, okay. The hydrogel lip mask. Yeah, so. And I finally picked up a wish list from last year. And they finally came in our area. my Dollar Tree that I shop at. I grabbed me 2 of them. I sure did. One of them is in the car. But yes, and with the spoon, the scoop, you can use this for flour. They say coffee, but I don't do instant coffee or ground coffee. I don't do that. I don't use that kind. So, yeah, you can put your K-cups in here, whatever, you know, whatever you want to use this for. Cereal. It has a nice, tight, yeah, this is really, really nice. I absolutely love that. Yes. Absolutely love this. This has nice opening here. Nice seal to it, and I like that. Very nice. Sure fresh. Coffee dispenser. Very nice. Nice scoop. Very nice. Love it. And I also picked up a lip gloss by Stila. This color is beautiful. Look at that color. The color on that. The color on that is beautiful. Yes, by Stila. I have another color too. That is real pretty. I think I'm going to give it to my girlfriend because that's more like a pinkish color and she looks good in pink. And I also picked up the Gran Granite, the Basic Pro Formula Whitening Gel Pen, y'all. Whitening Gel Pen. Love that. Wow. I'm excited to use that. Beeman has a new Pretty Arms Toning and Soothing Sheet Mask. Love it. I am definitely going to try these. I definitely want to see what they do. And it's 2 in the pack for $1.25. And you know what's so nice too now too? They're listening to us, y'all. This $1.25 sign is on the outside of this here plastic. You can always open this up if you want to do a gift basket. You can still do that. It won't have $1.25 on the back. Even if it did, you know what you can do. You can go and get those little stickers they have at the Dollar Tree and just put it over the, the $1.25 if you want to make a gift basket, because you know I do gift baskets. And yeah, or you can black it out, with a marker if you like. Okay. And Idah Home has the chicken broth, mashed potatoes made with real chicken broth and select herbs. Y'all, I love these potatoes. These mashed potatoes, the Idah Home brand is really, really good. It's like 110 calories. And the expiration date on this is March 30th, 2025. Yes, I love this brand potatoes. I get the cup, put some sour cream in it, honey, put my little seasonings in it, put my butter in it, and it is a wrap. Yes, absolutely love it. I made some smothered pork chops with gravy and spinach. Honey, please, I put the mashed potatoes, put them in hot water, stir it up, and did my thing. Put that gravy on top of the mashed potatoes, and it was delicious. I also picked up Deep Clean. I love this by Colgate. The Deep Clean toothpaste is really, really good at the Dollar Tree. Me and my daughter love this. Global Beauty Care has a tea tree cleansing nose strip. Oh yeah, we're gonna be spying it out over here, y'all. This here is really, really good. This is really nice. Yep, you get 3 nose strips. Yep. found the granite and granite and marble peppermint sage daily cleanser for your granite. Yes, and this smells good. This peppermint, but it's supposed to really be good for your granite, so I'm gonna try that. Grab those LOL. When I seen the girl walking, I said, oh, the good lady in the, but she didn't hear me. I was like, oh, they got some. I was like, okay. So I got the LOL out. Let's see. Yeah, so I got these. They are super cute, y'all. Super cute for $1.25. I am looking for me some more of these for $1.25. Unbelievable at the Dollar Tree. Very well made. Yes, so cute. Absolutely adorable. $1.25. I got some kids at the church. I want to get those too. And I also picked up these here linen scent bleach tablets. Okay, I picked those up. You can use these to do your to cleanse your hardware, like your toilet, your washing machine, and you can also put these in like your water if you're cleaning your floors and stuff like that there. Y'all know what y'all do with bleach. And I also got the buttery Homestyle. These are my favorite. And the garlic ones. Yes. As I put garlic in them anyway. So good. And the expiration date on this is June 5th, 2025. Okay. I picked up the BioPure Antibacterial Hand Wipes Citrus Grow. These are okay. I mean, I tried one already. I wasn't, because I had tried the other ones that came out. It was okay. Okay, it smells better today. Not bad. Alright. Like that. Get you some. Oh, yeah. And it's like, Please Don't Flesh, contains plant-based fibers, car cup holder ready. Okay. Then there's, and it's with aloe and vitamin E. It doesn't, it's 50 wipes. 50 wipes, okay? Also grab one of these, glass cups for, your coffee or whatever you want to put in it, with the straw. Nice seal top, okay, look very fallish, okay, so I will be using that. I got me some mandarin oranges and light syrup by Pampa. The expiration date is, I can't see it, the top is on it, but yeah. Okay, I got those. These little mandarin oranges. They're pretty good. And I found the pressed powder puff applicator. I hope this is not too dark. I'm looking at it now. I don't know. But it's in toffee. Pressed powder puff applicator is right down here. Okay, at the bottom. But yeah. Okay. Like that. And the little puff, little white applicator is at the bottom there. I grabbed this here, the travel kit, y'all, by Gran Granite. I like the soft. I love their toothbrushes. That's all I use now. And it has the fluoride-free toothpaste, jasmine and mint. I bet that is very tasty. But yeah, you got the fold-up toothbrush, and you have the toothbrush by Gran Granite. Yes, love that. All right, y'all. I really believe that is it. Let's see. We got one more thing. One more thing. I grabbed this hairstyling kit for $1.25. And you know it's in my favorite color. Purple family. This is lilac, look like to me. But anyway, this is a comb and brush. You can put this in your pocketbook when you're on the go and stuff like that there. Yeah, so I needed this. So I'm going to pop this open and put this comb in my pocketbook and keep the brush for something else. Please, if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. I love to have you. Also, click that all notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you until I see you on the next video. Y'all, please go check out my shorts, okay? I'm doing shorts. I absolutely love it. Sometimes it's really good for in the morning time. I can just do a minute short and that's it. But please go check it out. Love you all. Bye-bye.